Guys, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about anti-aging. Now next week I'm going to be turning 28. Happy birthday to me, but I'm not really happy about it because I am aging and so is my skin, and I don't want to be any older than I am right now. But that's not something we have any control on. You age, your skin ages, and you just need to take care of your skin in order to keep it younger looking. And I think it's about high time that I start using anti-aging products in my regime. So when I turned 27, I had already started using some anti-aging products, but I did not use them every day, like not regularly. But I think it's high time that I start using them regularly, and that's why I have been trying out this Dermacore 2% Kojic Acid face serum. And this I've been using for about 15 days in my skincare now, and I plan to use it for a longer time. So I don't really have any signs of aging on my skin yet. I'm really lucky and I really take good care of my skin, but I know for sure that as and when my skin ages more, I will see all of these signs of aging on my skin, and to prevent them, to delay them, and also if you have any current signs of aging on your skin, to reduce them, you need to use anti-aging products. And this is the best anti-aging product in the world, especially for hyperpigmentation. So the serum contains 3 major ingredients. The first one is 1% alpha arbutin, the second one is 2% of kojic acid, and the third one is niacinamide. Now let me explain what each of these ingredients does in detail to your skin. Now alpha arbutin helps to control melanin production in your skin. Melanin is an element in your skin that actually leads to discoloration. So when you're exposed to the sun, it increases melanin production in your skin. That is why your skin tans. If you have any dark spots on on your skin, maybe on your cheek, then there's excessive melanin under the skin on that area, and that's why that dark spot is there. Alpha arbutin helps to control melanin production, and thereby it helps to reduce the hyperpigmentation on your skin and also helps to prevent it. Secondly, this has kojic acid. Now kojic acid is amazing for hyperpigmentation. Be it dark spots, be it sunspots, be it melasma, acne marks, or even freckles, like any sort of hyperpigmentation that you have on your skin, any discoloration, kojic acid helps to treat that. And by using kojic acid regularly, it also helps to prevent further discoloration on your skin. And lastly, this has niacinamide. Now niacinamide is amazing if you have acne marks. It helps to reduce acne marks and also dark spots. It also helps to reduce the size of your large open pores, and it also helps to control acne by controlling excessive sebum. So this serum has a lot of benefits, and it's suitable for all skin types, especially if you have any sort of hyperpigmentation on your skin. Now hyperpigmentation on your skin can be caused due to 3 major reasons. The first one is acne, which leads to acne marks. The second one is exposure to the sun without having sun protection on. That can cause sun spots on your skin. That can also cause sun tanning on your skin. And the third and the major reason is aging. When your skin ages, it causes all of these age spots on your skin, or it can cause freckles on your skin, or even lead to melasma on your skin. So these are the few different types of pigmentation that can happen on your skin, and kojic acid is the #1 ingredient to deal with this kind of pigmentation. So all you need to do is, on a clean face, after you wash your face, you can just apply 2 to 3 drops of this kojic acid serum. You can apply it all over your face and your neck. Gently dab it into your skin and wait for about 5 minutes. After which you can go in and apply your favorite moisturizer, and you can use this serum either in the morning or at night, but I recommend you use it only once a day. And I love using this during the night time because I feel like that's when my skin needs to repair itself. And you need to keep in mind that whenever you're using active ingredients, especially ingredients like kojic acid, which are actually reversing the sun damage, you need to apply a broad spectrum sunscreen, especially if you're directly exposed to the sun. Even if you're like indoors and even if the sunlight enters your house, you're still supposed to be wearing a broad spectrum sunscreen, because let's face it, if you're trying to solve a problem and if you're not taking precautions, then the problem can increase. So this is the problem solver, and a sunscreen, a broad spectrum sunscreen, is the precaution step that you need to take. Apart from the serum, Dermacore also has another kojic acid based product. This is Dermacore 2% Kojic Acid Face Cream. Now this also contains a blend of some really good hero ingredients like vitamin C, glycolic acid and tetrahydrocurcumin. So vitamin C helps to boost collagen production in your skin, and collagen helps to repair your skin. Any sort of skin damage that is caused on your skin, collagen can help to repair that faster. And moreover, vitamin C also helps to add a beautiful glow on your skin. Along with that, it's got glycolic acid, which helps to gently and mildly exfoliate your skin, removing all of the dead skin cells, all of the dry skin cells, and revealing the fresher, newer layer of skin on top. And then it's got tetrahydrocurcumin, which I have heard for the first time. So when I googled it, Google says that it's an antioxidant that is used in cosmetic products to neutralize free radicals on your skin. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage your skin cells, and free radicals are always looking to steal an electron from stable molecules, which leads to skin damage. So with the help of tetrahydrocurcumin, it helps to increase antioxidants in your body, and that antioxidant gives up its own electron to the free radicals, thereby neutralizing the free radicals, and that helps to save the stable molecules in your skin, thereby preventing skin damage. So I know that got very technical and very scientific, but overall what I'm trying to say is free radicals can damage your skin, and this ingredient, that is tetrahydrocurcumin, helps to prevent that damage. And this cream can be used once every single day, either in the daytime or in the nighttime, whatever you prefer. And I recommend you use it as a spot treatment rather than applying it all over your face. You can just apply it on the areas where you have pigmentation or any skin damage, and it's going to help to repair that. So honestly, I haven't started using the Kojic Acid cream as of now, but I've started using the Kojic Acid serum since the past 2 weeks, and so far it's performing well on my skin. Not that I had any signs of aging on my skin, not that I had a lot of discoloration on my skin. My skin has already been clear, but just to take like precautions and just to prevent these signs of aging from appearing on my skin, I've started incorporating this in my routine, because as they say, prevention is always better than cure. So that's why I've like started using the serum in my routine, and yeah, I do not see any side effects whatsoever. It's suiting my skin pretty well. In the first week, I did not use it every single day. I was using it every alternate days, and second week onwards, I started using it every day in my nighttime regime, and so far it's suiting my skin really well. However, I still recommend you do a patch test before trying out any new product, especially products that contain active ingredients, to just see if the product suits your skin or not. The formulation of both of these products is really good, and it's really stable, and it's really mild. It's not harsh at all on the skin, but still a patch test is always recommended. And the most important thing is to wear a sunscreen if you are directly or even indirectly exposed to the sun. You need to wear a sunscreen during the daytime. So let me just give you a close-up of my skin. This is what my skin looks like. I don't have any products on my skin. This is like completely bare, and as you can see, it's all clear. It's completely clear. I don't even have like acne marks on my skin right now. It's like that clear. And all the credit actually goes to Dermacore products only, because whenever I get acne, I use their salicylic acid products. After the acne goes away, I use their niacinamide products to get rid of the acne marks. And now that my skin is completely clean, I've started using this Kojic Acid serum to ensure that the signs of aging are at bay. So I literally take care of my products mostly with the help of Dermacore products only. I really trust the brand. Their products work really well for me, and moreover, they're all designed, formulated, tested, recommended by dermats, so they are very safe to use as well. And with my personal experience, I really recommend them. So in case if you want to purchase them, they're available on Dermacore's website, where if you use my coupon code Riya 2022, you'll get a 20% off. And apart from that, you can also shop for Dermacore products on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. So in case if you try out these Kojic Acid products by the Dermacore or any other Dermacore products, do let me know in the comments below how they work out for you. And also, I would love to know what anti-aging products are you using to prevent the signs of aging or to reduce them. I would love to like try out more products. And yeah, if you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button. I tried my best to give you as much information about these products as possible, but in case if you still have any doubts or queries, you can always leave them in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. The direct link to my Instagram handle is mentioned in the description box below, so do check that out, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my future videos. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you super soon.